We live in an ever-changing world. With every day comes a new mission. SSMC is here to deliver the most trusted and highest quality care, and as a result become the preferred destination for the sickest patient with the most complex medical and surgical problems. How do we do that? Well, it's simple. With that focus in mind, we want to attract and retain the best workforce that would fulfill this vision and be part of this values-driven organization where the primary values is always to put the needs of our patients first.
As a joint venture between SEHA and Mayo Clinic, SSMC combines Mayo Clinic's world-renowned expertise and SEHA's rich legacy to build a destination medical center to serve the patients in the UAE and in this region of the world. We pride ourselves on fostering an inclusive and embracing culture that acts as our DNA, allowing us to deliver excellence to our patients. A culture that defines our character through 4 key traits: integrate, connect, learn, and deliver. Through a well-defined strategy with a clear focus on our people, we are transforming SSMC with Mayo Clinic's integrated 3 shields of medical practice, research, and education into SSMC's operating model, creating a life sciences innovation hub in the heart of this region. Beyond delivering expert healthcare to the community, SSMC is devoted to the continuous development of its staff as well as the next generation healthcare workforce.
The SSMC model of care aims to put the patient at the heart of our work. Patients receive individualized attention from a team of experts working together to deliver trusted and compassionate care. From the very first point of contact with SSMC to the moment they are back home safe and sound, our model of care guarantees we respond to their every need in a timely and effective manner. We have developed a teams-based approach with talent from different backgrounds and areas of expertise working hand in glove, complementing one another and collaborating on treatment plans and methods. With the ability to connect to Mayo Clinic expertise and resources through connected care tools such as Ask Mayo Expert and e-consults, physicians and patients alike also have access to cross-border knowledge and skills without needing to board a plane. As we continue looking for the latest and most innovative methods of treatment, we are regularly introducing new techniques and technologies into our offerings. Our ultimate goal is to provide patients with a warm, inviting, and modern environment where they feel comfortable focusing on their journey back to health with no worry, burden, or concerns.
We all have thoughts to share, something to learn, but need the right partners to facilitate this exchange. The Triad leadership model at SSMC is what makes our multidisciplinary, team-based approach unique. It pairs a physician leader with an administrative partner and a nursing leader. The trio then collectively share responsibility and accountability, guiding, teaching, and learning from one another. Through the Triad leadership model and its ultimate focus on patient care delivery, SSMC employees are given the opportunity to elevate the patient experience, quality of care, safety of processes, clinical integration, care coordination, and waste reduction. By working together, we foster each other's strengths and overcome each other's weaknesses, adopting a fully integrated, team-based approach to ensure the delivery of patient-centric, excellent healthcare. Joining SSMC grants the opportunity to be part of the Triad, to learn from your peers and contribute your expertise, all for the betterment of patient care.
The heart is the most important organ in the human body. At the center of the circulatory system, the heart pumps blood to every part of the body, carrying with it oxygen and other important nutrients that body organs need to carry out their jobs. That is the nursing and midwifery function. the heart of the healthcare system, and SSMC. Our nursing and midwifery teams makes around 50% of SSMC's workforce, working in harmony with one another and the rest of the organization to deliver compassionate care. We serve as the patient's voice, advocating for their well-being in times of pain, anxiety, and need. A prime example of our model of care is demonstrated by the collaboration and the partnership when providing emergency care to our newborn with our innovative intensive care team. We pride ourselves on developing and harnessing a learning environment, giving our staff the opportunity to learn from others as they progress on their career journey and expand their knowledge and expertise to provide holistic and transformational care. In parallel to our SSMC research and educational program, nursing will have a significant role to play, advocating for patients and sharing their experiences as learnings.
Our grand vision is making SSMC the center for medical education in the Middle East through the use of innovation, technology, talent, and collaboration with Mayo Clinic, SEHA, and Khalifa University, among other educational institutions in the region. At SSMC, together, we will realize our education mission through the training of our next generation of physicians, nurses, and allied health leaders to ensure delivery of high-quality patient care in Abu Dhabi and the entire region.
Long before I joined the field of medicine, I enjoyed a passion for chess. Chess is far beyond a board game or a method to pass time. Chess teaches us critical lessons in life. It teaches us the virtue of patience, how to learn from failure, how to create opportunities, how to keep your eye on the bigger picture, and instills the motto, slow and steady wins the race. Fundamental skills required to run a healthcare system fit for the long term, with a vision that recognizes the importance of research in creating your own solutions, contribute to the development of infrastructures and nations. Excellence in research is one of Mayo Clinic's 3 shields, and a pivot on which innovation progresses. The Clinical Trials Unit will be a collaborative effort involving legal, finance, clinical, and research teams working together to drive life-changing solutions like CAR T cells, new devices, cancer therapeutics, amongst others. If you look at the history of medicine, it is the institutions that invested early on in robust research infrastructures are the ones that excelled in all aspects of patient care. Running innovative trials causes a ripple effect, instilling a culture of innovation and efficiency. In addition to Clinical Trials Unit, SSMC will also establish a comprehensive research ecosystem that consists of Bioinformatics and Artificial Intelligence Foundation, a biobank, and public health and preventive medicine program. With a robust research infrastructure, patient-centered care, and a holistic education training program, SSMC will transform into a destination medical center, keeping patients close to their home as they receive the latest and the most innovative medical solutions to their healthcare needs.
Beyond the individual excellence of each staff member is our ability to work together, leveraging our independent experiences, backgrounds, and strength as part of wider team to deliver on the patient's every need. Outside of SSMC walls, we are fortunate with the opportunity to join forces with other key providers in the UAE healthcare sectors, welcoming referrals, providing services, and collaborating to treat complex cases. As SSMC continues expanding and driving towards its mission, it's adopting a specialty-focused approach. We are introducing the very best talent, in addition to the latest treatment methods, across all subspecialties. This is to ensure that no matter what the community needs, they will find the answer within our walls.
Our partner, Mayo Clinic, currently ranks #1 hospital in the world. Our ambition is to be the next Mayo Clinic in Abu Dhabi, in line with the mission, vision, and values of our partner hospital. This also means that we're never satisfied to just leave things the way they are. We're always on the lookout to improve the quality and timely care for our patients. This resonates strongly with SSMC's emergency department, where we have consolidated remarkable expertise, state-of-the-art equipment, and efficient processes to provide rapid, life-saving care. One of Mayo Clinic's founders, Dr. William Mayo, always used to say, "The best interest of the patient is the only interest to be considered." We treat this phrase as more than just a quote here at SSMC. The needs of the patient really do come first. It's an ethos embodied in everything we do. In the emergency department, we have translated this ethos into action by investing in point-of-care labs for rapid results. By receiving results faster than if we had to send samples to the facility's main laboratory, we create a domino effect. When we cater to the needs of current patients faster, the patients in the waiting rooms can then be seen sooner. We have also designed the emergency department in a way that allows for efficient and immediate transfer of patients from ambulances and from the helipad into trauma rooms, streamlining the time it takes to assess their injuries. Additionally, as part of our contribution to the future of healthcare in the UAE, we pride ourselves on a robust emergency medicine residency program. And we also train medical students from the best schools in the country. Inspiring younger generations and involving them in research and innovation improves our care of emergency patients when time matters the most, enabling us to contribute to the global advancement of medicine.
More than 70% of the world's food supply is dependent on bees. Many of our fruits, vegetables, and nuts are reliant on pollinators for their production. However, bees work in their beehives, hidden in the background, with very little of us recognizing just how integral their work is to our food supply. SSMC's labs are at the core of the hospital's ecosystem, working like a beehive in the background, with pathologists, technicians, scientists, and administrators working as one unit. We provide efficient and accurate results to ensure the hospital operates in a coherent rhythm. Our intention is to ensure that quality and timely results are provided both at the bedside and in our outpatient services to make sure our multidisciplinary teams have the toolkit to make important decisions on the care pathway for our patients.
SSMC has built a unique partnership that has paired seasoned medical personnel from the Mayo Clinic, the U.S. military, and the UAE Armed Forces to create a hub for complex trauma, burn, and rehabilitation care right here in the heart of Abu Dhabi. Our mission is to offer the highest quality multidisciplinary trauma care to both civilian and military personnel, and we're leveraging the strengths of each of our partners to achieve that goal. Collaboration and integration like we see at SSMC are critical components of caring for injured patients, because trauma care is really a race against the clock where every second counts. So whether we're working to reduce ambulance transport times or build rapid interfacility transport networks or refine internal SSMC protocols, our goal is always getting patients the right care at the right time. And by doing this, we're investing in our community here in Abu Dhabi, making it safer and healthier for our families and for our future.
As a critical care nurse educator within the burns unit, I have the pleasure of supporting nurses to ensure they have the knowledge, the skills, and the resources they need to provide quality, evidence-based, and patient-centric care. The journey for patients we receive in the burns unit is long and challenging, in which nurses play a significant role. They are the vigilant guardians at the bedside, day in and day out. My role is to make sure nurses feel equipped to care for our patients, both physically and emotionally. A few weeks ago, a patient confirmed to me just how vital the nurse is to a successful recovery. She said, "The nurses on this unit are incredible. They took care of all of me. They listened to me. They held my hand, and they reassured me." Anyone can apply cream and bandages, but it takes a lot more to heal a person. With its own dedicated operating theater and rehabilitation suite, SSMC's burn unit is ready to evolve into the region's leading burn center, where patients will receive holistic, multidisciplinary care from the moment they arrive in the emergency department to the moment they are discharged and return home.
With patient care at the heart of everything we do, SSMC has fostered a learning and collaborative environment that invests in the development of its workforce, translating to the best outcome for our patients. When we look for talent to join our team, we do not only focus on clinical or non-clinical capabilities, knowledge and expertise, but far beyond that. We are looking for people who are as committed to patient care as we are, who deliver on their roles with empathy, compassion, and integrity.
Since I moved to Abu Dhabi, I was lucky to see some of its history through the lens of my camera, capturing its Arabian beauty, richness, which motivated me to be a more energetic member in the community, in my field, whilst attracting fellow professionals to join this cultural experience and enhancing their professional career opportunities. When professionals join the SSMC team, they join a comprehensive onboarding program and orientation to help them rapidly blend within the organisation and transition to their new role and home. We have a culture of continuous learning, and through integration, collaboration with our partners, we offer comprehensive professional and career development opportunities. Our goal is to welcome you and equip our new staff members with the right resources and tools to meet their needs and ensure they can deliver care to the highest standards. In partnership with a multitude of experts, coaches, mentors, staff will find abundant opportunities to foster and develop their skill sets through rotational programs, online job training, all inspiring cross-cultural departmental collaboration and teamwork.
The Emirati talent is tomorrow's future, and at SSMC we vote to give back to the community. We are passionate about providing them with the resources they need to advance in their careers, journeys to provide superior patient care.
As SSMC focuses on broadening its practice, research facilities, and talent, it will also include the physical expansion program, giving it the capacity to meet the needs of an integrated, multi-specialty, world-class healthcare system. There is a phased approach to the campus expansion. The campus will expand in 2 phases. The first phase, titled Midterm Expansion, will involve a 2 billion dirham investment in facilities, equipment, and infrastructure in line with the strategic practice innovations and service line growths. This phase will also include the build-out of a life sciences hub, which will act as the center for advanced research, clinical achievements, and educational efforts. We're aiming to complete the first phase within the next 5 years. The long-term expansion is our 10-year vision, including an additional investment of 2.5 billion dirhams. This is an integral strategic component as we journey toward becoming a destination medical center. This new physical space will serve as the foundation of holistic, transformational health care.
Today, SSMC's workforce brings together bright minds from 47 countries across the globe. Our strength is in our diversity, in being able to speak the language of our multicultural patients, collaborate on innovative novel solutions to better serve the patients in this region. Every employee brings something unique to the table, using their own backgrounds, experiences, and talents to transform the way that we deliver care to our patients.
Our mission is to deliver holistic transformational healthcare solutions that exceeds expectations and meet the needs of every patient walking through our doors, generating loyalty in the Emirates and beyond. If you're wondering who we are, we're a team united by our passion and commitment to improve healthcare delivery, bringing trust into the system while fulfilling the dreams of the founding father of the United Arab Emirates. We want to become Mayo Clinic Abu Dhabi.